coming here, si Michael Bublé?
Gusto niya po. Sabi niya,
Wala, sikat yan. I'm sure his
oh,
schedule is packed.
Nang sinabi niya, sir, if you will have a show in the Philippines, I will make sure na pupunta daw siya. Kaya sabi ko, hold that promise.
So we'll make a show for him.
No, but I could tell nung you were singing together, talagang ano siya, enthusiastic siya, saka
Yes, sir.
tuwa nung mas
he
tuwa pa sa'yo nung nanalo ka eh.
And he decides everything. Lahat ng song ko from my outfits, lahat po.
Talaga.
He take time. Yeah. He took time. Yeah. Sobrang.
And like I said, the reputation of Filipinos and music is cemented.
Thank you, sir.
Hindi ko makalimutan, I saw a quick video. One of these America's Got Talent yata. May kumanta na babae. Ang galing ng pagkakanta. Si Simon Cowell, imbis na bumoto, just held up a sign. Are you Filipina? Understood na yan.
Tough crowd.
Yeah, pero nung na-announce po ako, ma'am, totoo po pala totoo pala yung moment na parang nagpa-flashback sa'yo lahat ng sorry, naiyak na ako. Yung pinagdaanan mo na
I'm sure.
you are bringing the... Opo, talaga, always po akong grateful kasi nagpunta po ako doon to just try. So every round na pinipili ako ni Michael Bublé, parang culmination lang siya na, I think we can make this work. Ganun. So, tiwalang ko sa kanya. Last 2 songs, sabi ko, can you help me? Sabi niya, just trust me on this one. Gagawaan ako ng paraan talaga for song choice. Hanap ako. And he made sure na talagang bumoto. And surprisingly, sir, yung mga Filipinos around America, hindi ko po alam na may mga text brigade sila na bumoto po sila. Vote natin to.
Kahit dito.
Opo.
Kahit dito.
Grabe, sir.
Basta boto. Alam mo naman ang Pinoy. Text capital of the world yan. So, diba? So,
You made us so proud.
Thank you, ma'am.
Talaga
Maraming
nakakatawa.
salamat.
Tonto ako minsan. Finally.
Yes, sir.
Nakilala. First, hindi lang first Filipino, first Asian.
First Asian po.
Laking bagay nun. Hindi biro yun.
Hindi po, sir.
Wow.
Malaki percentage.
Opo.
Malaking margin mo.
Malaking margin po.
Sorry, talo margin mo.
Ay, sorry.
Di bale, music naman eh. Music. I'm happy with that. At saka para sa Pinoy. No problem.
Oh my gosh. Thank you po sa inyong lahat. Thank you, Mr.
Naku.
President.
Ikaw, ako may magpapa-thank you sa'yo dahil pinasikat mo na naman yung Pilipino. Sikat na naman tayo dahil sa ginawa mo.
I never showed you his video to me. Mom, I'm coming to the Philippines.
Yeah,
I'm trying to meet the president.
Yeah,
I saw it.
akala ko po, I thought na hindi mo po nakot, tas nakita ko yung video na
O, sinagot ko.
you were so nervous, my dear. Sabi ko, nahuli pala ako. Ilang beses kong tinake yun, ma'am. Grabe talaga for that message.
And you were still nervous?
Yes. Oh my gosh. So, I hope na I could take this opportunity, sir.
Pero ganun talaga kahit na yung mga, like, one of the, Barbra Streisand, hanggang ngayon, she refuses to go on concert kasi masyado siyang ninenervous.
Yes, sir.
Sino pa ba? Meron akong, Taylor Swift.
She gets nervous?
Toes up.
Whoa! Okay, you don't go.
Iba po sa akin.
Ano yung
She's,
nervous mo?
Bailey's with me. She was working in the show. Kapag bago po ako kumanta, talagang nakikiusap ako sa kanya na pwedeng magbawas.
Normal yun.
Kasi-
Normal.
Oh my
Well,
God, ang daming media.
Thank you for looking after our guy. Thanks so much for looking after our guy.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
Good day. So what's next? You have your record contract.
Opo, meron po akong record contract. Tapos, hopefully, magkaroon po ako ng magandang management. Si Michael Bublé po nagsuggest na since I am from Asia and the Philippines, dapat yung mag-handle is Philippines and iba yung sa Amerika para maganda po. So, maganda naman po yung number ng proposals. Kaya pag-uusapan na lang po.
No, wala. Good ka na. Basta you just, tuloy-tuloy.
Yeah, hopefully.
Nag-cruise ka pa rin, di ba?
I worked as a cruise ship singer.
Can you imagine? It was
Nag-OFW po ako for a time.
Ah,
Yeah.
kumakanta kayo, walang audience.
Hindi lang yun, lasing.
Lasing.
Lasing ang audience.
Isa pa yun.
Yun ang masakit.
Oo, it's even better. Masyado ang iingay, di ka pinapansin. Tawa ng tawa na malakas.
Oh my God.
Sana yan lang. Talaga ganyan yan. Ako, pag speech ko, ganyan din eh. Hindi ako pinapansin. Wala akong nakikinig sa akin. Okay lang. Sige lang. Sige.
Laban
Go
na.
nang go.
Laking tulong po, sir. Laking tulong talaga yung recognition. Tapos,
Oo, that's, wow, you cannot imagine. Kaya naman, dito, parang konti na lang, gawin namin nga national holiday yung pagkapanalo mo.
ay, salamat. Ay, nako, sir.
Happy ang lahat ng Pinoy. Kasi parang, for lahat ng nagsasabi, ang galing ng Pinoy sa music, ang galing ng Pinoy. Pero ito, tunay na ito, recognized.
Yeah.
Recognized na. Ito talagang hindi lamang, magaling. Ito, may recognition. Yun ang pinaka-importante.
Yeah.
So when are you going to, record?
I am going... Actually, sir, nag-message po sa akin yesterday lang po, yung A&R ko, yung Republic Records. So, they need to... The president wants to talk to me para sa magiging brand na ng songs, album.
Ikaw, anong pinaka-paborito mong kanta yun?
Well, I prepared your favorite song, sir, if you wanna hear something.
He has a gift. He has a gift.
A cappella?
I have my accompaniment prepared for it.
Okay. Well, wow, swerte naman natin. Wow. Sige, sige. Wow. Hindi ko expected yun. Sure.
So, since I am super blessed to be in front of you, Madam and Mr. President, I prepared and I've researched a bit. You are a Beatles fan, and this is one of your favorite songs, sir. So I hope you like this one. Thank you, ma'am.
Wow. And you're the goat? Congratulations. Everything you sing is perfect. I will never sing again. By the way.
Promise?
No, never again. Never. If I cannot learn how to sing that way, I will not sing anymore. Ang ganda.
The pipes. Grabe the pipes.
The other comment that when si Irene at saka we watched you were singing with other people. Nasa level ka na, you're so generous. Hindi ka nag-aagaw ng eksena. He's so generous. Pag kailangan mag-feel, nag-feel ka lang. Pag kailangan ikaw mag-solo, that was something. That's a real sign. It's all about the music. It's not about you. You're humble. It's not about making pasikat. It's about making the music sound good.
Well, speaking of pasikat, he wants to make pasikat a photo with you.
Photo.
That's his deal now, right?
Wow, that was terrific.
I know, that's what he told me in the video.
As many pictures as
See, I
you.
remember.
Ako nga magpapapicture sa'yo. Dahil ikaw yung champion. Ang ganda. Ang galing mo kumanta. He sings so damn well. Okay, let's take pictures. Ali kayo.